This right here is the new Honda Civic Hybrid, and it'll save you more money on gas. That's thanks to the new hybrid engine, which should get 50 mpg combined and makes 200 horsepower thanks to the electric motor. And they updated the styling with the new front grille, LED headlights with functional vents down here, as well as these 18-inch wheels. Inside, there's a 9-inch touchscreen with built-in Wi-Fi, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. You get a wireless charger down here, USB-C ports. There's also a sunroof, these heated leather seats, a leather-wrapped steering wheel with a large center screen, a 12-speaker Bose sound system, and this now has active noise cancellation just like your headphones to make the interior a lot quieter. The nice thing is you can get the hybrid as a sedan with good trunk space, or even as a hatchback if you want some additional practicality, especially with the seats folded flat, and you get this privacy cover that rolls out whenever you want. Honda also gave this Google Assistant built in, so I can say things like, "Hey Google, turn on my heated seats."
Got it. Turning on the seat heater for the driver.
That's pretty cool, right?
Sorry, I'm having trouble controlling
Oh,
that.
cut that out. In the second row, you get windows, great headroom, and amazing room for your legs. And that's it, guys, because it's a Civic. And I'll never say no to more power and better MPG, so